Okay, so we got out today during the coronavirus and pandemic. We don't get out much, but today we got out. We went to Whole Foods, so I'm going to show you guys what we picked up while we're in Whole Foods. Number one, the good thing is we got a Whole Foods bag. So since the COVID-19 coronavirus thing, we use recycle bags, but they don't want to use recycle bags, so they're actually giving you a bag. Ta-da! Free bags. So let's see what's in it. We got some saltine crackers, some peanut butter sandwich crackers. 365, baby, 365. We got some vanilla bean ice cream, and we will do a review on this. This is like almond milk vanilla bean ice cream. This is the best ice cream ever. Okay, so I cheated there a little bit. I told you guys it was good, but anyway, we'll do it anyway. And then we bought some ranch dip for the crackers, and we'll do a video on that. And then water. I got that from my car, so we didn't actually get the water from the store. We have what is this? Burnt caramel organic chocolate. I wonder if that's good. Sounds good. We have our receipt. We have some baking powder because I want to make biscuits. And then we have some garlic, some minced garlic. I love to use garlic in my recipes. Oh, and then we also stopped to the store, and because it's late, we only want to cook, and we got this. So we have food there, and that's an Impossible Burger from Burger King. Yum, yum, yum. Alrighty, it's a quick video of our little haul at Whole Foods during the pandemic. So thought I'd let you guys in and see what we picked up. All right, like, subscribe, comment on our channel. Wake up, guys, we're rolling here. So like, comment, subscribe. Okay, all right, we're giving you good information. Love you. Stay safe. Bye.